It's officially 1 month to the wedding. Like today is literally May 6th and the wedding is in 4 weeks. Like, oh my gosh, guys. Like, I woke up this morning and it just came to my mind and I'm like, I'm excited, but at the same time, I feel so nervous. Like, oh my goodness, I'm actually getting married. I don't know if you guys understand how your life changes completely. Like, you're not single, you're not just doing things. Like, I don't know. I'm thinking about, my mom when she was younger and when I was a kid and just seeing her raise us and hustle, and my parents actually, right? And I'm like, this is about to become my life, doing school runs, just being a married person, starting a family, and I don't know, it's so surreal. And I'm just like, life moves so fast. Like, when did I graduate university? When did I turn 20? When, like, how am I getting married now? This is like, these are the thoughts that just keep running through my head. Like, guys, I'm actually getting married in 4 weeks. And it's something that I've dreamt, it's something that I have dreamt of, but still felt so far out. And so the fact that it is 4 weeks away, like, it's so crazy. I'm just still constantly shocked when I think about it. Like, I'm going to start living with my husband, we're gonna have kids soon. Like, what? It's so crazy. But I am also just trying to, yeah, take these last few weeks in, because it's literally the last time that my life will be this way, if you get what I mean. It's such a beautiful, interesting transition phase. Like, yeah. Anyways, I'm just so glad everything has been going well. My bridal shower was so beautiful. I still can't believe my friends. I knew I was going to have a bridal shower, but the way they just put everything together so beautifully, everybody I wanted was there. It was just honestly amazing. It was honestly amazing, and I'm so grateful to God. Like, a part of it feels like I'm just watching my life happen because of how everything is moving so fast. I was literally like, oh my gosh, this is my bridal shower. I'm only going to have one bridal shower by God's grace, and this is it. Like, it has happened. I'm only going to have one wedding, and it's about to happen. I don't know. I'm not normally an overthinker, but this has just made me think about the fact that these are moments that I've dreamed of, I've prayed about, and I'm literally living in answered prayers. And it's so beautiful and so surreal. And it's just a mix of so many emotions. And at the end of everything, I'm just grateful. I just still feel so grateful, so grateful to God. Like, he truly makes beauty, he truly brings so much beauty out of our lives. And I was even telling my husband the other day, I was like, God is so intentional in how he created relationships. We're setting up our new house and we're just so excited, like even just going shopping to get things, to get furniture and set everything up. It's a difference, it's an indescribable feeling of just something new starting a family with someone you love. Just so many things in it that give you an indescribable sense of joy. And I'm like, God is intentional. God just God designed this world and this life so beautifully. It's just so amazing. But yeah, guys, officially a month away from the wedding, and I'm excited and nervous is the summary of this video. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Always someone I looked up to. Even in our one-on-one conversations, like your love for God really shines through.
So we met back in Great Lakes, and since then, all I've known about Naya, not all I've known, but main thing about her is her joy. So even in school, we never see her frowning. She was always smiling, always friendly, always ready to help whenever you needed it.
I've known you since 2018, and I've seen you grow through different phases of your life. And I was
as I was saying earlier, like you're not someone that conforms to like, norms, and you're very authentic. Ever since you made that decision to surrender your life to Jesus, like you've never looked back, and like truly pays to serve God. Like we can all see God's hand in your life. How everything happened, like that's in itself is a testament that God is with you and that this marriage is of God. I really pray that for you and for Bio, that every day of your lives would be a testimony, a testament that God is good, that the purpose of your marriage will be fulfilled, and that God will grant you the strength to do that which He has called you to do.
Man should give his mother and father and give to his wife, that everything that God had in his mind concerning what that institution should be. I pray that your marriage will embody that in Jesus' name.
The bride to be, Mrs. Diary. Go Naya, go Naya, go. Yeah, yeah, go Naya, go Naya. Go body, go body.
Hi guys. I feel like I always start my vlogs from this corner of the room, but I am going to get my hair done today. Maybe this will be my coat reading vlog. Ooh. At this point, I've vlogged so much and I've not edited and posted in like almost 3 weeks, and I'm so sorry, but life is just so busy right now. Like, I'm just trying to keep up, okay? So if these vlogs are coming out slowly, just bear with me, okay? We're getting there. We're getting there. Hi, if it's your first time here, my name is Naya. I'm a faith and lifestyle YouTuber. Guys, today I'm going to get a silk press for the very first time. So I'm really excited. My hair has been out like this for about 3 weeks, or maybe two weeks. I'm going for my coat wedding next week. It's going to be in St. John's, Newfoundland. So I'm traveling with my family, my friends. It's really exciting. I'm so excited. I wanted to just do a sleek back for my court wedding. I'm still kind of indecisive, but let me just get my hair straightened or stretched first. This is my very first time doing a silk press, so I'm excited to see what that looks like. Yeah, and then I'll figure out what hairstyle I actually want to have on for the court wedding. But I honestly just want something simple because I'm not trying to do too much, and I'm going to have a fascinator on as well, so it's not like the hair is really gonna show like that. But yeah, anyways, let's go get ready and get our hair done. The salon was so busy, so I wasn't able to film getting my hair done, and honestly this is also like a week after, but we did the silk press and I absolutely loved it. I talk more about it later in this video, but this is also a day before I travel to Newfoundland for the court wedding, so I'm just getting ready for my eye appointment. All right, hi guys, so I just freshened up. I love how this lip balm feels. It is the Ordinary lip balm. I just don't like the fact that it doesn't last so long, so I find like every hour, 2 hours I have to put it on again. Like, it dries up really quickly, but besides that, it's kind of cute. Okay, let me also comb on my hair. Guys, I got a silk press for the first time. This is almost a week, so today's Thursday. I did it last Friday and I absolutely love it. Obviously it's a bit rough because I haven't brushed it today, but I love, like, I'm just like, I just kept thinking to myself, why did I never get a silk press before? It's just so nice. I love how easy it is to just pack my hair or just style my hair and leave the house. Like, I don't have to do too much. But the only thing is, when I was getting the silk press, I knew that they were obviously straightening your hair, but the amount of heat, the heat was so much. I kept flinching and I'm like, please, this lady, the lady that was doing my hair, I just kept apologizing, like, sorry, I'm really tender-headed. Like, I have a really tender scalp, and so I felt everything, every single thing. I'm going to get contact lenses for the first time today because I'm actually short-sighted. I wear glasses, even though I don't like to wear them. I don't like to wear them except I really have to, like when I'm driving, so I mostly drive with my glasses. But aside that, I'm fine with not completely seeing. I'm fine with it. I know that God is going to heal my eyesight soon, but till then I have to wear glasses. Yeah, but on my wedding day I want to see my guests, I want to see people, so it's not, I just can't get away with, I don't know how I did it in Anambra. Honestly, I feel like my eyesight is better in Nigeria. You guys let me know if I'm tripping, but every time I'm in Nigeria I barely ever wear my glasses and I haven't had too much trouble seeing. Maybe like once or twice like I really had to, but when I'm here, when I go to the mall, I have to wear glasses because I can't see when I'm driving, obviously. Yeah, but for my traditional wedding, I didn't feel like, oh my gosh, I can't see anybody. Like, I wasn't squinting, which is weird. But yeah, anyways, I'm sure I'm going to get contacts today. I'm excited because I might actually just switch to contacts instead of wearing glasses because I don't like wearing glasses. So yeah, let's see how that goes. Going to the eye clinic, so I think I should be fine. Do we like it? Okay guys, I'm going to get something to eat. My brother is making pizza. I can smell it already, so let's go get something to eat.
Is a good thing to do. It honors the Lord and it positions us to receive God's blessing, but that decision does not demand God's blessing. That means that there's nothing we can do to force him, to manipulate him to do something, to coerce him to do something, because he is an all-powerful, all-sovereign God. And so the blessings that he gives us are a gift.
No, I see what you did.
And I sliced the beef like perfectly because it's like the size.
Better or worse?
Okay.
So you switch.
Better, same,
Actually, this is better.
More clear.
Yeah.
Okay, so more clear means less of a change in the prescription.
Okay.
that feeling and sharpness.
Yeah. Yeah, I think this is better.
That's what I like now. That's
Is it
stronger.
much different from this one?
It is stronger. That's like the second lowest change in both eyes.
Okay.
So like 2 steps, like 1, 2. Yeah. So
Hi guys, so I just finished my eye appointment. I got my prescription. My eyes hurt. He put like, he wanted to check my eye pressure and he put eye drops in my eye. It literally hurts so much. Not hurts, but it just feels very uncomfortable. Oh, anyways, I'm glad that this is over. I have to come back in a week or 2 to get my projector and screen on stage. I have to come back in a week or 2 to actually pick up the contacts. But yeah, I find like I really do not want to get a thick I really do not want to increase my prescription because I find that the more I wear glasses, the worse my eyesight gets. And before, I actually thought glasses were supposed to correct your eyesight, but they literally don't. And every time I come to get glasses, because you have to get your prescription every 2 years renewed, and they just keep increasing my prescription, and I don't want my prescription to increase. It's so annoying. But yeah, anyways, it's not that much of an increase, but it's still an increase that I don't want. Anyway, sure, I'm going to go home. Yeah, chat to you guys in a bit when I get home. Oh my gosh. Okay, but yeah. Someone's coming in. Oh.